Hi, my name is Robert Harder. I have the privilege of leading the performance analytics team at Surest, and I'm really excited to be here today to tell you how Surest is transforming the healthcare landscape. The future of healthcare is here, and it's Surest. But before we get into the numbers, think about the last time you were at a restaurant and you opened up the menu and you went to order something and it said market price. Did that give you a little bit of anxiety, a little stress, fear of the unknown? I know for me it does. What about if we changed the way that you went shoe shopping, for example? You went, you selected your shoes, and you took the shoes home, you tried them out, you didn't know the price, and then 30 days later you got a bill. Would there be a little bit of uncertainty whether would that make you actually change the way that you shop or even the decisions that you make and what shoes to get? Why is healthcare that way? Why is the same pricing structure that I just talked about applied in the healthcare system? That uncertainty, that anxiety, that stress are all part of a broken system that Surest is addressing and fixing. In a 2021 survey, 70% of respondents said that after receiving some type of test or procedure or care, they were uncertain what that was going to cost them. In that same survey, 65% said that they were unsure what their benefit was actually going to cover. Now, because of the fear of the unknown costs, more than half of the respondents actually said that they delayed care. They even skipped care because of that. Now, that's concerning to me because nearly 50% of Americans are dealing with at least one chronic condition. But what happens if we address the root cause? What happens if we design a health plan that eliminates the market price, that changes how you engage in the system, that changes the information you have at your fingertips? We eliminate deductibles, we eliminate confusion, and we give members choice. You get engaged consumers. You get a plan that moves from transactional to transformational. When members can check prices, when they can compare options, they are more likely to search and to make decisions that are better for them in their care journey. We see that at Surest. 78% of households on the Surest plan actually engaged with either a digital interaction or live interaction. You see, the Surest health plan eliminates deductibles. It eliminates co-insurance. It engages members where they're at in their healthcare journey. So let's talk about what exactly we see when we compare members that moved over to the Surest plan. 20% higher physician visits on our plan when compared to a traditional plan. Annual physical exams, we see a 9% increase. With cancer screenings, we saw 15% increase in mammograms and 34% increase in colonoscopies. We see that shift from ER to urgent care to virtual visit. 6% decrease in ER visits. We see a 6% increase in urgent care visits. And the use of telehealth in our plan is 7 times the national averages. That in itself would be good enough, but let's take it even further. Think about physical therapy conservative care. 7% more physical therapy visits. The costs were 16% lower per visit. And as an added benefit, we saw 5% fewer overall surgeries. A benefit plan that aligns cost and value. It allows members an easy way to access information. Results are better. The decision making is better. It's a win-win for employees and plan sponsors. So when we look now with all this utilization, what do we see when it comes down to the financials? 11% lower PMPM. We see that members saved 54% out of pocket compared to a traditional plan, and the employee group saved up to 15%. Surest builds trust. It creates engaged consumers. Engaged consumers who become empowered consumers. Consumers who are helping redefine what the healthcare experience can and should be.